ప్రపంచ రెడ్ క్రాస్ దినోత్సవం సందర్భంగా జిల్లా పరిషత్ సమీపంలోని రెడ్ క్రాస్ సొసైటీ భవనంలో శుక్రవారం ఉదయం నిర్వహించిన వేడుకల్లో పాల్గొని జెండా ఎగరవేసి రెడ్ క్రాస్ వ్యవస్థాపకుడు హెన్రీ డ్యునాంట్కు నివాళులు అర్పించడంతో పాటు రక్తదాన శిబిరాన్ని ప్రారంభించిన జాయింట్ కలెక్టర్ గొబ్బిల్ల విద్యాధరి.
Very inspirational. ఒక్కొక్కరు 100 times, 50 times. It's not a simple thing, Andy. So I'll share one small example. When I was preparing, there will be some parks and all. So stress ఉన్నప్పుడు we used to go to park just for a walk and all. So ఆ బయట రెడ్ క్రాస్ వెహికల్ ఉండేది శాంపుల్ కలెక్ట్ చేయడానికి. So randomly one day I went and I gave the blood donation. That was my first donation. Like I saw that there was some hesitation in the public to give blood. I was so shocked. See, it is something which will not cost you anything, and it will get replenished in how many days? I mean, 30 days maximum, and that took for years. So I was so shocked to see such hesitation, and it was I actually felt disheartened also. Like why this kind of thought process is existing in the society? Because the thalassemia kids choose them. Because people like you are coming forward voluntarily giving blood, many kids are having active lifestyle now. So otherwise it will be very difficult for them to afford money, to afford that blood and have a quality life. So I feel very happy. You all are extremely inspirational. So me age lo kokkaragura, you're so active because I think you're giving lot to society. That's what keeping you all active. So you all are extremely inspirational, and I request the youth of the Vizag, please take these people as the good role models and come forward for blood donation. Youth అందరూ కూడా వైజాగ్ లో ఉన్న వాళ్ళు కాలేజ్ స్టూడెంట్స్ అవ్వచ్చు, whoever has crossed the designated age, so please come forward and do donation so that actually గా అవసరం ఉన్న వాళ్ళకి, క్రైసిస్ లో ఉన్న వాళ్ళకి, కాన్ఫ్లిక్ట్ లో ఉన్న వాళ్ళకి, and especially kids కి it helps a lot. So happy to be with you all today. And coming to Red Cross, ఇంత రెడ్ క్రాస్ గురించి మనం ఎంత చెప్పుకున్నా తక్కువే అవుతుంది. So we know war is going on, unfortunately, and conflicts have happened in our country also earlier. Our time lo district administration, state government machinery, central government machinery, all will be restricted because there are so many fronts where government has to work. Medical is one area we cannot undermine. We cannot afford to give less importance to medical area. So our area lo, even though when our resources are restricted, societies like Red Cross are doing tremendous job. So because of them, we are able to serve the public in a meaningful manner. I thank Red Cross from district administration multiple times, and any support, any assistance, anything which we can do from our part, please let us know, and we'll be very, very happy to contribute. Please don't think anything. You can have my number. Like anytime you can drop a message also. We'll be so happy to help you all. And ఈ రోజు మనము ఇంటర్నేషనల్ రెడ్ క్రాస్ డే కి సంబంధించి వైజాగ్ లో we have started the blood donation camp also, and there is a very good diagnostic center, and we also have a thalassemia center. I request all the people of Vizag to make best use of it. And youth, please, this is a call for all of you. Please come forward and donate the blood so that you can give back to society, and our society will be more flourishing one.